What's going on, everybody? If you have a Samsung Galaxy Note or pretty much any modern Samsung Galaxy cell phone or mobile device and you want to do a disk cleanup on it, and remove garbage and things like you would on a normal computer, here's what you do. You go up to the top of your screen here, go into your main settings right there. Then you'll scroll down to apps right here. And in this list, there's all the applications and software that is on your device. And the ones that will mainly have a lot of garbage stored in it that you should clean out regularly. One will, of course, be your internet browser, which I happen to use Google Chrome. Now, I've already done this cleanup on this just a few minutes ago, so it won't have anything here, but you will open that, then open storage, where it keeps all of the information like pictures you have pulled up or sites you have visited. That's all found in the cache right here. And you will come down to the bottom of the screen and just hit clear cache. And it will delete everything in there. Now, nothing important will be deleted. But this is just good maintenance to do. And then you will back out of it. Back out again. And just keep going down the list of software. Google Drive is another one that stores information. So you go here, then to storage. Same deal, clear cache. I just did it, so there's no option for it right now. Back out. And just keep going down the list. Of course, Facebook will store stuff. Storage. Notice this one has 300 megabytes of stuff, basically. And so you'll clear cache. Back out. On down the list, another internet browser, Firefox. I use it sometimes, not all that often, but it's another one that will store information that can be dumped by clear cache. Back out twice. On down the list. Your email. This could slow your email reading down if you dump this one, but if it has a whole bunch of megabytes of data in the cache, you may want to dump that one. Mine only shows 21 megs, so that's not too bad. I'll just leave that. On down the list, of course, any chat software you use, Hangouts, of course, will sometimes have a heap of stuff, especially if you send and receive lots of photos. So we'll remove that. Just keep on going. Instagram, sometimes, if you do a lot of Instagram use, it could have a heap, of data in there as well. So dump that one. Some of this depends on your personal use, of your device. Any messaging software also can store photos and things, so it's a good cache to clear out. And so some of this will depend on your particular use of your device. Storage, not much there. I do this on a regular basis, just like doing a disk cleanup on your regular computer. It's just a good maintenance item to do from time to time. Sometimes you might do it weekly, sometimes even every day if you really are a hardcore user. Now, as we get down to the bottom of the list, of course, these are sorted in alphabetical order. Some other big ones. Twitter, I don't use Twitter a whole lot, but it can store some stuff. So you see 80 megs there, clear it out. And then the big ones, YouTube. if you upload a lot of YouTube or view a lot of YouTube or save a lot of YouTube to your device, it could have a ton of stuff. See, I got over 300 megs and I clear this out regularly. And I also do YouTube Studio. Sometimes it could have a heap of stuff in there too. And that's the end of the list. So, just have a look through, and any software you notice that you use regularly. Now be careful when doing this. You don't want to completely reset software or that sort of thing unless you're having a real bad problem with the app. So that's pretty much it though. Check out our other videos. We don't do a lot of software related stuff, but sometimes we do, and we try to post it for you because everyone uses mobile devices and that sort of thing. And so check out our other videos. You may find some cool stuff that may help you, but we also have an eBay store selling motorcycle parts and specialty tools. Just Google Horsepower House or look at the links in the comments, and check us out from time to time. You might see some stuff that may help you or you enjoy. So that's it for today. Biker Dave with some mobile device tech tips. Y'all have a good day.